Today we are sharing our easy pasta salad recipe. The full recipe with pictures is on our website, and I'll leave that link below for you. Start with 3 cups of cooked bow tie pasta, 1/2 cup of celery, 1 cup of your choice of peppers, 1/4 cup of finely chopped purple onion, 1/4 cup of caramelized onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, and stir that all up. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of salad dressing or mayo. I'm using mayo here. Some salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and that's just going to give you a nice fresh flavor. Put your salad into a suitable serving dish and then top it off with 2 hard-boiled eggs and a sprinkling of paprika. This salad will feed 2 very hungry people, or it makes a nice side dish for 4. And you can head on over to the DIY Craft Club website for the full recipe. Till next time, have a great day, everyone.